EAS, I just got back from the bathroom here. Another tornado.
Central Lonoke County in central Arkansas until 6:45
This should be AAS 100.
At 6:04 p.m. A severe
Congratulations to me.
capable of producing a tornado was located over Gio, or 10 miles southwest of Lonoke, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Lonoke, Sizemore and Parker's Corner around 6:25 p.m., McGreen around 6:30 p.m., Carlisle and Prairie Central around 6:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Seaton, Blakemore, Tildeck, Color, Beavis Corner and Pettis. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 173 and 185. Here are the latest weather conditions at 5 p.m. At Little Rock, thunder was reported. The